Hey there, welcome back to Speak Real English. I'm Cristiano Ronaldo Wallace, your guide to mastering American English in the most natural and effective way possible. Today, I'm excited to dive into a fantastic question from Claire, one of our amazing learners. Claire wants to know which verb tenses are the most important to focus on when learning English. First of all, I love this question because it shows that Claire is thinking smart. Instead of trying to master every single tense, she's aiming to learn the ones that will actually help her understand and use English more effectively. That's what I call a practical approach to learning. In American English, we'd say she's trying to get the most value for her effort, and that's something I definitely support. Now, let's talk about which verb tenses really matter in everyday English conversation and communication. Some tenses, like the future perfect or the past perfect, are used so rarely that they shouldn't be a top priority when you're just trying to become fluent in real-life situations. Instead, I recommend you begin with the present simple tense. This one is crucial because it's used to talk about daily routines, habits, and general truths. For example, you might say, I go to work, or I drink coffee every morning. These kinds of sentences are incredibly common. Next, we have the present continuous, which we use when talking about actions happening right now. For instance, I'm talking to you or you're watching this video. It gives your English a sense of immediacy and connection to the moment. Then we move into the past simple. This tense helps you describe completed actions or events in the past. For example, I watched a movie last night or I studied English yesterday. It's one of the most frequently used tenses in storytelling, and if you want to share your experiences in English, this is one you need to feel comfortable with. Now, let's step into the present perfect. This one often confuses learners, but it's essential. You use it to describe experiences or actions that happened at an unspecified time or that continue to influence the present. For example, I've visited New York or I've studied English for 2 years. It connects the past and the present in a very useful way. There's also the present perfect continuous tense, which shows an ongoing action that started in the past and still continues now. Think about sentences like I've been learning English or I've been working all day. It adds depth and detail to your communication. Next, you'll want to get familiar with future tenses. Start with the future using will, like I will call you later or she will arrive tomorrow. Then explore the future with going to, which we use for plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to study tonight or they're going to travel next month. So if we look at this group of tenses, present simple, present continuous, past simple, present perfect continuous, and the 2 future forms with will and going to, you've got the foundation for most conversations. Mastering these will help you understand native speakers much better and also express yourself more clearly and confidently. Of course, as you grow more advanced, you can start exploring other tenses, but for now, these are the essentials. Don't overwhelm yourself. Keep your focus clear and your practice consistent. If you've enjoyed this explanation and you want more resources to help you practice and improve, be sure to check out Speak Real English online. We've got a free ebook waiting for you, full of tips and strategies, and if you're serious about leveling up, the premium course offers in-depth lessons, practice materials, and support from experienced teachers. And don't forget, we're also on YouTube several times a week and on the podcast even more often, bringing you real, useful English that you can actually use in conversations. So Claire, thank you for your thoughtful question. I hope this lesson helps you and many other learners who are wondering which tenses are really worth studying. Keep asking great questions and keep learning with confidence. Speak Real English is here to help you speak English naturally, easily, and fluently. Stay connected with us, and I'll see you again very soon with another tip, another question, and another opportunity to grow in your English fluency.